What's up guys, this is Miles with Hero Concealed. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we are taking a quick look at the APX holster. This is something you guys have requested, and it's just a really quick little demonstration on how to adjust the mag side of the holster. The gun side, everyone should be pretty familiar with. It's just our regular easy adjust on the stacks and the clip, just like everyone's used to. So this is just gonna be a video about the mag side of this. If you come in here and look, you can see that the cant is wildly different on all three of these holsters, particularly these two. This is as closely matched to an Axis Elite angle as I could get. This one's pretty dramatic, and then this one's kind of a middle ground. And that's the beauty of the Apex, the mag side of the Apex holster, is that it's fully adjustable. So to adjust the mag carrier side, we're just gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver. That's the one that looks like a plus sign. So if you look in here, we have these two screws. There's two different levels of adjustment. There is these two screws you can loosen up if you already have your cant set. As you can see on the mag carrier itself, it has easy adjust, so you can move up and down if you have the cant set that you like. If you want to pull something all the way off and you're moving holes entirely, just hold the back, and we have this little backer here. And so just make sure you hold that as you unscrew, and you can pull them both out, move it to whatever of these holes you like, set it how you want. So that's it. You really just need the one tool, get it set how you want, crank those screws down, and you're good to go. Another thing to note with the panel is, as you can see on this one, the panel is in front of the gun side of the holster, and on this holster, the panel's on back. That's just a little further fine-tuning adjustment to fit your body as you need. Also on the stacks on the mag side, we do have easy adjust behind there. I don't know if you can see it from this view, but that way you can move the stacks up and down. As always, you can add or take off stacks as you need for height to push your belt harder or less hard. And then there's also easy adjust inside the clip there, if you can see that, so you can adjust ride height, just like you're used to on everything with our patented easy adjust system. The panel itself is really the biggest difference here, so just keep that in mind. If you want to go with a crazy adjustment, just pull those screws all the way out, put them in whatever holes you need, crank it back down. As with every other screw on the holster, we do recommend you use Loctite, the only exception being these two for the mag. If you're planning on adjusting vertical up and down pretty regularly, you know, you're probably tightening those screws often enough, you won't need it. But if you're setting height and you know you're not gonna want to adjust that, just Loctite those in, you'll never have a problem with them. If you have any other specific questions about the Apex holster that you'd like to see us do a video on, just let us know in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, tell your friends, buy a holster. We'll see you on the next one.